Daily life, uncommon upgrade. Normal, I am very tired. Advanced, I am utterly fatigued. Normal, he is very angry. Advanced, he is seething with rage. Normal, she is very happy. Advanced, she is in high spirits. Normal, the place is very quiet. Advanced, the place is eerily silent. Normal, I don't like this. Advanced, this does not appeal to me. Normal, he is very smart. Advanced, he is intellectually astute. Normal, the weather is very hot. Advanced, the weather is oppressively hot. Normal, I am very sad. Advanced, I am emotionally despondent. Normal, she talks too much. Advanced, she is excessively loquacious. Normal, the food tastes very good. Advanced, the food is exquisitely flavorful. Normal, I am very busy. Advanced, I am thoroughly preoccupied. Normal, he is very brave. Advanced, he is remarkably valiant. Normal, the exam was very hard. Advanced, the exam was notoriously arduous. Normal, I am very excited. Advanced, I am brimming with anticipation. Normal, she is very polite. Advanced, she is impeccably courteous. Normal, the room is very small. Advanced, the room is rather cramped. Normal, I am very nervous. Advanced, I am riddled with anxiety. Normal, he is very rich. Advanced, he is immensely affluent. Normal, the movie was boring. Advanced, the movie was painfully monotonous. Normal, I am very confident. Advanced, I possess unwavering self-assurance. Normal, the road is very long. Advanced, the road is interminable. Normal, I am very careful. Advanced, I am exceptionally meticulous. Normal, she is very calm. Advanced, she is serenely composed. Normal, the place is very dirty. Advanced, the place is utterly filthy. Normal, he is very lazy. Advanced, he is chronically lethargic. Normal, I am very confused. Advanced, I am utterly perplexed. Normal, the bag is very heavy. Advanced, the bag is exceedingly cumbersome. Normal, she is very beautiful. Advanced, she is strikingly alluring. Normal, the sound is very loud. Advanced, the sound is deafening. Normal, I am very afraid. Advanced, I am gripped by fear.
I am bored. I am thoroughly disenchanted. I feel lonely. I feel profoundly isolated. I am jealous. I am quietly envious. I feel guilty. I am burdened with remorse. I am shocked. I am utterly flabbergasted. I am proud. I feel a deep sense of accomplishment. I am hopeful. I remain cautiously optimistic. I am disappointed. I am deeply disheartened. I feel relaxed. I am blissfully at ease. I am angry. I am visibly incensed. I am scared. I am petrified. I feel peaceful. I feel serenely tranquil. I am worried. I am plagued by concern. I am excited. I am exhilarated. I feel ashamed. I am mortified. I am happy. I am quietly content. I feel stressed. I feel mentally strained. I am confused. I am mentally muddled. I feel sad. I feel emotionally depleted. I am curious. I am intensely inquisitive. I am calm. I am unflappable. I am serious. I am resolute. I feel tense. I am on edge. I am grateful. I am sincerely appreciative. I am annoyed. I am mildly exasperated. I feel regret. I harbor regret. I feel hopeful. I cling to hope. I am shy. I am painfully reserved. I feel love. I feel deep affection. I feel hate. I harbor resentment. I said no. I firmly declined. I said yes. I readily consented. I asked him. I politely inquired. I told him. I discreetly informed him. I explained. I painstakingly elucidated. I warned him. I explicitly cautioned him. I advised her. I earnestly counseled her. I helped him. I willingly facilitated his work. I tried again. I made a renewed attempt. I gave up. I relinquished my effort. I started. I formally commenced. I finished. I successfully concluded. I stopped. I abruptly halted. I changed it. I subtly altered it. I fixed it. I meticulously rectified it. I broke it. I inadvertently damaged it. I bought it. I discreetly procured it. I sold it. I profitably disposed of it. I waited. I waited patiently. I hurried. I rushed frantically. I looked. I glanced briefly. I saw it. I perceived it. I found it. I stumbled upon it. I lost it. I misplaced it. I remembered. I vividly recalled. I forgot. It completely slipped my mind. I learned. I gradually assimilated knowledge. I practiced. I diligently rehearsed. I failed. I fell short. I succeeded. I triumphed. I planned. I meticulously strategized. I decided. I reached a definitive conclusion. I agreed. I reluctantly acquiesced. I disagreed. I strongly contested. I trusted him. I placed my faith in him. I doubted him. I questioned his credibility. I allowed it. I tacitly permitted it. I refused. I categorically rejected it. I stopped him. I effectively restrained him. I avoided it. I deliberately evaded it. I want success. I relentlessly pursue success. I want peace. I yearn for inner peace. I fear failure. I dread the prospect of failure. I face problems. I confront adversity. I learned a lesson. I gleaned a valuable lesson. I changed myself. I underwent a profound transformation. I am improving. I am steadily evolving. I lost hope. I succumbed to despair. I never quit. I remain unyielding. I try hard. I exert myself relentlessly. I stay calm. I maintain composure. I feel pressure. I feel overwhelmingly burdened. I trust myself. I harbor unwavering self-belief. I doubt myself. I am plagued by self-doubt. I am patient. I exercise restraint. I control fear. I master my fear. I move on. I forge ahead. I accept reality. I reconcile with reality. I face truth. I confront the truth head on. I stay strong. I remain steadfast. I avoid drama. I steer clear of unnecessary conflict. I respect time. I hold time in high regard. I value learning. I cherish knowledge. I choose growth. I prioritize personal growth. I am focused. I am intensely goal-driven. I take action. I act decisively. I believe in effort. I believe in perseverance. I fear nothing. I remain undaunted. I handle stress. I manage stress adeptly. I remain silent. I maintain deliberate silence. I speak clearly. I articulate with precision. I stay humble. I remain grounded. I learn daily. I pursue continuous learning. I accept mistakes. I acknowledge my shortcomings. I seek improvement. I strive for refinement. I stay disciplined. I uphold self-discipline. I build habits. I cultivate habits. I respect myself. I uphold my self-worth. I avoid negativity. I distance myself from pessimism. I trust the process. I have faith in the journey. I face challenges. I embrace challenges. I create my future. I consciously shape my destiny. I think deeply. I engage in profound reflection. I stay consistent. I maintain unwavering consistency. I take control. I assert control. I believe in change. I advocate transformation. I stay motivated. I remain driven. I never stop learning. I am a lifelong learner. I move forward. I progress resolutely. I am indomitable.